super difficult. Just I would like to relax and sleep in sometimes, you know. But yeah, it's Saturday, and I just left what is it, Meineke, because I needed to get my car an oil change because it needed one in the worst way. So got an oil change, and then of course, you know, they find like 50-11 other issues with your car. Like, all right, I knew this was, as far as car purchases go, this wasn't my worst car choice. However, it's not the greatest. I mean, but what do you expect when you buy a car used? It comes with used car problems. Okay, that's good enough. But I just had to run back to the house because we are going to be going to the apartment today to put up curtains. The curtains finally came in. So we're going to try to put up curtains. And what else did I want to do today? I don't know. We'll figure it out. But right now I got to run back in the house because there was like a box of stuff that I was supposed to take back to the apartment that I left in the house that I was supposed to take with me. But, you know, forgetful me. But let me go get that and then see y'all at the apartment. Jesus, please help me. All right, but we made it to the apartment now. And I say we because since I had to go back to the house, the boys saw me and then all of a sudden they wanted to come. So, I am no longer alone. But we're at the apartment. I have like some more stuff that I got off of Amazon that needs to come to the house. Shower curtains, finally here. So excited. And then I got some gold print spice labels for the spice jars, which should be coming. I ordered the jars as well. And I believe, honestly, I have to check the tracking because I feel like it said they would be here January 12th and it's now the 21st. So where are my jars at? But finally, after being on my back seat for close to a month, the gold scoopers for the pantry. I've had these, got them. They were delivered to me so long ago, but I just kept forgetting to bring them in the house. I would come to the apartment, they would be in the car on the back seat, and I would just forget to bring them in. But I didn't this time. They're here. Aren't they cute? They're just so stinker cute. So I'm going to wash these up and then leave them to dry and then put them into their designated spots because, yeah, I got my gold scoopers. So, yeah, shower curtain, gold labels. Also, hold it. My curtains came, which I told y'all that's why we're here, is to put up curtains. I don't know why I just tried to do that. That was not going to work. Okay. So, curtains, we have these. And I got these really cute velvet curtains. So, these are the girl curtains for my room. And then, because upstairs in my bedroom, it's going to be white, gold, and pink. And then these are the curtains for the living room. So these are the curtains for the living room. They're velvet as well, but they're like a navy blue-ish color. So that's what we're going to put up now, along with these shears that I ordered as well. So it's going to be like navy blue curtain, sheer, navy blue curtain. At least that's what I think in my head is how it's going to go. We'll see if it goes that smoothly.
Talk street art, sarcasm. Crash humor in high fashion. Peach color moon glistens, the plot thickens as we laugh off of shotguns and tongue kisses. Bubble bath, truth or dare, and would you rather? A cold flame, the thrill and no shame. Drug, sex, and Polaroid. Pick a star in the sky, we could both say goodbye all night. I wish I could paint on these moments in vibrant. You are right, searching, gotta play, searching, pillow talk, searching, sweet dreams, turn it. Coffee in the morning, coffee in the morning. I don't wanna wake you, I just wanna watch you sleep. It's the smell of your hair, and it's the way that we fit. I never felt comfortable like this. Old souls have found a new religion. Now I'm swimming in that sin. Baptism, peach colored skies reveal a sunrise. Into a lost angels discover salvation. Don't you wish we could run away now? Yes, yes. Drug, sex, and Polaroid. Pick a star in the sky, we could both say goodbye all night. I wish I could paint these moments in vibrant. You were right, searching, gotta play, searching, pillow talk, searching, sweet dreams, coffee in the morning, coffee in the morning. I don't wanna wake you, I just wanna watch you sleep alright. It's the smell of your hair, and it's the way that we fit. I never felt comfortable. Oh no, yeah.
Empire. Todd, can you play that again?
Hey yo, bend that shit.
That's one right, baby. That's one right. 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 That's one right, baby. That's one right. 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 That's one right, baby. That's one right. 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 That's one right, baby. That's one right. That's one right. That's one right. That's one right. That's one right.
And bam, we have curtains. So after much struggle, don't mind the kids movie in the background. After much struggle, I managed to get these up. I used the... Theo, please go have a seat. Just go sit down. Go sit down and finish your movie, please. Okay. Oh, the stress of parenting a child on the spectrum is real. All right, so I used a little hook things from Dollar Tree, and then I just added it comes with a sticky back, but I added a command strip. I got some command strips from Walmart. Added the command strip to the back, like took off the backing so that the sticky part was exposed, and then just stuck the command strip to the sticky bit and then stuck the command strip part to the wall. That way it should be easy removal when it's time to leave here without taking off paint and whatnot. Always got to remember that security deposit and how you're going to want it back when it's time to go. So did the same thing on that side, and then I just took the curtain rod, flipped it up, sat it in the bracket, and then to kind of make up for the tension, because of the way the rod is, I added that little Dollar Tree command strip in the middle to hold the center so it doesn't like sag in the middle. So yeah, we will see how long this lasts, but we got curtains.
Boy, can you break my back? My back. Boy, can you break my back? Break my back. Break my back. Can you break my back? Break my back.
That's a ring. My back. That's a ring.
My back.
That's a ring. My back.
That's a ring. Break my back.
That's a ring, baby.
Break my back.
That's a ring.
Break my back.
That's a ring.
Break my back.
That's a ring.
Break my back.
That's a ring, baby.
Break my back.
That's a ring.
Break my back.
That's a ring.
Break my back.
That's a ring.
Break my back.
That's a ring, baby.
Break my back.
That's a ring.
Break my back.
That's a ring.
Break my back. Break my back.
Okay, so first load of laundry is done. This is actually what I just folded was that same load of laundry that was in the last vlog that I had to leave here to dry because I was just short on time. So just folded that up. Now the second load of laundry is out of the wash, now in the dryer. So then I can fold that up and add it to the bag, and then we'll be all good with laundry. Listen, I have no problem doing laundry, okay? It's not even my least favorite chore. Dishes, doing dishes by hand is my least favorite chore. But laundry, I have no problem with that. No problem at all. I will do laundry all day long. What I don't like doing is folding clothes. I will wash the clothes, no problem. I will dry the clothes, no problem. I will even put the clothes away with no problem. But you want me to fold it? Oh, I don't like it at all. So I'm actually thinking about making, I got it from, who's the woman? She's always making stuff from Dollar Tree on YouTube. The Do It on the Dime woman. She made like this little folding apparatus for her kids so they can fold their own clothes, and I am going to rewatch that video so I can get the supplies, and I'm going to make it myself because, listen, my children need to start folding their own clothes. The majority of the things that I just folded were their articles of clothing. They should have folded that, not me. Not me, so they're going to learn. Okay, they're going to learn today. But alright, let me finish my ginger beer and try to sort of kind of relax myself until this load of laundry is finished. Have you ever just been like mentally exhausted? I never like knew what to call it before. Like I don't feel tired at all. But mentally I am just drained so much. Okay, so shower curtain, I have it. I'm getting ready to put it up. Theo, please stop. Just stop. Go have a seat and finish the movie.
I'm gonna help you. Don't blame me, blame you. I wanna help you.
Are you going to be calm?
Yes. Wait a minute. Yes, I'm gonna be calm.
Alright, so we're going to put the shower curtain up. And then hopefully by then the laundry will be done and we can go. Because I need to nap.
Way back down, oh, it's my regular. I'm talking things for better now. Oh, things for better now. Oh, way back down, oh, it's my regular. I'm talking things for better now. Oh, things
Okay, I have one little curtain rod left, and I'm going to try to do it in the guest, like the half bath downstairs, the one that had the blanket in it. Like, listen, that window was ghetto for far too long. So I have the other little half curtain, the one that matches the kitchen curtain. So we're just going to put that in there with this little curtain rod and call it a day. Okay, clothes are almost finished, and then the kids are gonna help me fold that. Folding is not my ministry. And then later on today, I'm gonna make a list. Ooh, it's bright. I'm gonna make a list of the things that I still need to get for the apartment to just officially finish turning this into our home. And for my vision to be complete. But yeah, let's put up this curtain. Okay, so here is the shower curtain. And I will say, like, I don't know how it shows up to you guys on camera, but I had to like double check the description because it is a lot more gray than white. I honestly thought that this was like a white base of a shower curtain and then it just had like the gold splatters on it, but no, it is more so of a grayish white, more gray than white, with the gold splatters. And I don't quite know how I feel about it, but then I had got I didn't get this from Amazon. I actually got this from Finger Hut because that's where I ordered like the fireplace and the dining room table and the chairs and all stuff. That stuff was from Finger Hut. So while I was on Finger Hut, I saw this little bath accessory. And I was like, oh, that matches the shower curtain. I'm going to get it. But like this, as you can see, has like the grayish, like it's a little bit more white than the shower curtain. Like the stark difference. This is white. This is a white base with the gray and gold splatters. This is a gray base with gold splatters. But I was like, oh, it matches so perfectly. So I got this, and it came with, so I thought that would be a nice little accessory to, I don't know what I'm going to put in it, but just to have like in the bathroom. And yes, I did bring my ginger beer with me to the bathroom. We're never really here to use it, so it's fine. It came with like shower gel, bubble bath, Epsom salts. It's like a bath oil, and then this, whatever, what do you call it? I don't know. You're supposed to use it on your feet. I don't know. But it came with that. So I guess it all kind of like evened out and matched. Plus, I want to put some artwork up in this bathroom as well. So this is the artwork. Good old picture of what it looks like. So that has like some grayish tones to it. So I feel like it'll all match in the end, which is why I'm not sending the shower curtain back, even though it's not as white as I wanted it to be. But yeah, it even came with like, we'll see. But it also came with these little rinky-dink shower curtains. I'll figure out something else to do with these because they weren't going up in the bathroom, not at all. Okay, I have one little curtain rod left, and I'm going to try to do it in the guest, like the half bath downstairs, the one that had the blanket in it. Like, listen, that window was ghetto for far too long. So I have the other little half curtain, the one that matches the kitchen curtain. So we're just going to put that in there with this little curtain rod and call it a day. Okay. Clothes are almost finished. And then the kids are going to help me fold that. It's folding. This is not my ministry. And then later on today, I'm going to make a list. Ooh, it's bright. I'm going to make a list of the things that I still need to get for the apartment to just officially finish turning this into our home and for my vision to be complete.
Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling.
Curtains. So I went and got a safety pin from my car, and then one of like the little tiny command hooks, hung that there, put the thing over it, and bam, got a valance.